Hey guys, Amy here from the Nugget Nerds, and welcome to EventHi's community event series. We're at OB Dog Beach. We are here with EventHi, and we're doing good for the community, cleaning up Doggy Beach, keep the beach clean, keep our doggies safe, and have a pleasant environment. So it's so beautiful out here. Let's keep it that way. Thank you to EventHi for hosting this. Much gratitude. You guys are doing amazing, positive, great things to give back to the community in San Diego with your event series.
What's up, guys? We're out here with EventHi and the gang. Just finishing up another beach cleanup out here in Dog Beach in OB. Today we were able to clear out over 60 pounds of garbage from the San Diego River Bay front and from Dog Beach. It's been a pretty great day. We're just hanging out now, watching the sunset. Thanks to all the sponsors, Golden State Greens and Nugget Nerds and I Live a Clean San Diego, and to all the volunteers that came out and volunteered their time. It's been a great event.
Thank you for coming out and helping to do good in the community and to help keep these amazing beaches clean and safe for us and our doggy friends.